Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. I don't know what's over me. Sometimes I'm good,
Sometimes I'm good,
sometimes I'm wise.
sometimes I'm wild.
I don't know what's over me. I don't know what's over me. I'm overthinking everything. At times it feels like nobody can understand the way I feel, 'cause I am fucked up totally.
I don't know how to keep company, so I've been drinking cognac. I've been drinking.
Drink too many shots of cognac. One for the belly, another for the broken heart. 3 for addiction, 4 so I don't go back.